Hello guys, this is Coach Oliver. I'm here today to motivate you and also explain some few things to you in terms of forex trading. Why are so many people going into forex trading today? Why are so many people trading forex today? Some do cryptocurrency, some do synthetics, some do stocks, and all form of investment. Guys, let me remind you that while the world is going, everything is happening online. If you are looking for job opportunity, if you are looking for flexible mode of making money, if you are looking for a strategy to increase your finances, the forex trading is the way forward. Mind you that once you are a forex trader, you are not only limited to currency. A forex trader is also an investor. You can trade any form of stock. You can trade indices, you can trade currency, you can trade minerals, you can trade anything. Mind you that with just a strategy, you can make a lot of money and build a lifetime career. Why are people not succeeding in forex trading? A lot of people are not succeeding today in forex trading because number one, they refuse to learn. They refuse to pay for knowledge. Mind you that knowledge is expensive. Knowledge is not free. If you want to make money in forex trading, if you want to increase your knowledge in forex trading, then be willing to sacrifice, be willing to pay for the knowledge. The next thing which causes people not to make money in forex trading has to do with the indiscipline. Most traders or most people who haven't acquired professional skill in forex trading end up being indisciplined in the market. Probably greed. After hitting their target for the day, they want to earn more. And at the end of the day, it causes them to make so many mistakes in the market. If you want to be a good forex trader, learn to work with your target. If you are looking for 10% of your capital, then of course, after making the 10% of the capital, it's okay for the day. Mind you that the treasury bill is giving about 13% for a whole year, meaning that if I should take $100 or 1,000 Ghana cedis and invest it into treasury bill, at the end of 1 year, I'm going to get just 130 Ghana cedis. If I should invest $1,000, I'm just going to get $130. This is what you're going to get after buying or investing in treasury bill. But forex trading can give you that 13% in just a week. I know most of you are going to say you can make it in a day, but let's look at it on the big aspect. It can give you that money in a period of 1 week. Let's look at the stocks, those who have invested in stocks. Oh yeah, you can just make, the dividend can be just 40, 30 or 20%. A good trader can make close to about 400% of his capital in a period of 1 year. So you understand why most people are choosing forex trading over other things. Listen to me carefully. Next year or the year 2026 is a very good opportunity for all traders to begin a new career or a new journey. If you were looking for opportunity, probably you are a student, you are working somewhere, forex trading doesn't require any time. Forex trading, as a matter of fact, is very flexible because it has different sections. Being a forex trader, you can trade in the day, you can trade in the afternoon, you can trade in the night, depending on your availability. You have different sections. So note that being a worker or being a student does not stop you from going into forex trading. It is changing life of so many people. The next thing I would like to tell you about trading is that the market keeps growing every day. And it is very simple. I mean, yes, very simple. People make it out there. People make it look like it is scary. People make it look like with forex trading you're not going to make it, but it's very simple. Let's look at this chart. This is the gold chart. Look at it. Tell me what is the trend of the market. You tell me that it's going up, right? This market is going up. And this is called the bullish trend. So if this trend is bullish, note, let's learn something here. When the market is going up, you buy. When it's coming down, you sell. Now tell me, in such market, what you look for? Buy or sell? Write the answer in the comment section below. Now, if this market is buying, at what level should you buy? And at what level should we sell? All those things are very simple. And with just small explanation, you understand it. That is it. Now, why is it that people acquire the knowledge and still they make losses? Okay, let me explain. The reason why a lot of professional traders keep losing money is simply because they don't trade their strategy. They don't trade what they know. They trade what they don't know. And in life, you don't imitate people because you end up making a mistake. It takes time to build a strategy. It takes time to develop a skill when it comes to forex trading. Now, assuming you go online on social media, probably on TikTok or on YouTube or anything, and you find a strategy, you decide to just copy. Okay, fine. When you copy a strategy, what do you do as a trader? You need to backtest that strategy. You need to test that strategy. But what most traders do is that they just copy the strategy and they apply it to the real account. Of course, a strategy that you are not used to, a strategy that you haven't built, a strategy that you haven't really developed or mastered, you end up making a lot of losses. So, what they do is that they trade what they don't know, and they only realize that they made mistakes after they've lost the account. Most traders don't even know when to end their trade. With an account of $10, they don't even know when to end the trade. When is your setup invalid? When do you have to change the strategy? They don't even know. So at the end of the day, what happened to them? They end up losing everything. And they have to start all over. And it becomes so stressful because you've lost everything and you have to start all over. Never trade a strategy you haven't tested. Always trade your strategy. Don't trade other people's strategy. Remain focused when you are trading. Don't be greedy, don't be disciplined. Forex trading is making a lot of people rich. Same way, it's making a lot of people poor. Depending on your availability, your capacity, and your skill. Note that the market is always right and the market will always be right. When you make your mistakes and you lose your money, you cannot blame the market. As a matter of fact, people are enjoying trading. And whether you like it or not, forex trading is always going to be